Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the cube in a cube pattern on the mirror cube. So it looks pretty cool. So whatever 2x2 area you want to be turned, put it at the top, top left, in this spot here, this corner here. And that'll be the one that's flipped. Okay, now do this formula. Turn the front face clockwise, turn the left side down, turn the front face clockwise, and then turn the top side to this way, like that. Next, turn the right side up. Turn the top side like this way, so like this. And then turn the front side 2 times. And then turn the left side 2 times. Turn the top side to this side, like that. Turn the left side up. Turn the back side like this. Turn the bottom side to this way, like that. Now turn the back side like this. Turn the left hand side 2 times, and then turn the top side clockwise. And there you go. So you have this bit flipped and this bit flipped. Oh yeah. Oh, so apparently it wasn't that was flipped, it's the top right corner. So I was mistaken, not this corner, it's this corner and this back corner. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, it's right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it, and goodbye, see you in my next video.